Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and today I've got two customers have walked in the store with their TurboCats. That's one of these. TurboCat is a great tool for your central vacuum. It runs off of air, it spins and agitates your carpet. A lot of people who have central vacuums have these. And the funny thing is, both came in because it was not spinning. And they came in, I fixed it, I told them thank you, and they went home happy, and I didn't charge them. And this is the reason why. You could save a trip to your local vacuum store if you take a look at your unit. Now, typically the reason why this brush roll is not spinning is because there's something stuck in your fan. So normally there's a cover over this. Mine doesn't have the cover. And you just line up these and remove your cover. But I'm going to show you. Once you get into your cover, you can feel inside here, there's a fan. And that fan you can gently spin with your finger. And if you spin it the right way, both times, the piece of whatever was stuck in there for the customer just slowly showed itself, and I was able to pull it out. I had a piece of mulch, and then I had like a plastic bobby pin of sorts from clothing that were both stuck in there. But you can see, almost can see that there's a fan in there. Now remember, do this when it's not attached to anything. You don't want the vacuum going on and you putting your fingers inside here and getting them stuck or chopped off. But these TurboCats are typically pretty easy to unclog that way. You can also take your central vacuum and kind of suck the dirt out from here, but typically that's all that's wrong with them. Save yourself a trip. Fix it on your own. Also, if you're in here, you can cut off any hair that gets wrapped around it. Hair gets wrapped around it because these just cannot physically ever spin fast enough to get that hair in. So just like with cordless vacuums and some other vacuums that their brush rolls don't spin fast enough, you might have to cut the hair off. That's just a normal vacuum maintenance thing. But TurboCat, how to fix it. Hope that's helpful. Comment below if it was. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on social media, visit our website. If you need a new TurboCat, I'll put a link below for where you can buy one. Thanks, guys.